Good morning and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chen Hao. Taiwan welcomes you to today's webinar, Elevating the Automotive Industry with Taiwan Smart Manufacturing. In the era of Industry 4.0, advanced doesn't just mean advanced technology, but also implies a focus on providing customer solutions that maximizes productivity. During these COVID-19 times where many restrictions are in place, innovative technologies may be the lifeline that companies are looking for. For the automotive industry, it may be especially challenging to change their mode of production. For this reason, it's great that Taiwan's machine tool manufacturers are adept at machine modification, adoption of new technologies and concepts with an end goal of enhancing customer productivity. Today, we have brought together 5 companies that can help you during these challenging times. Broaching can be used to make round holes, splines, keyways, 6-bolt grooves, square holes, and much more. Today, Leon Huang, Business Director at Axisco, will share with us on Servo broaching machines. The future is electromechanical. Welcome, Leon.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to present this topic to you. Servo broaching machines. The future is electromechanical. I'm Leon Huang, the Business Director of Axisco, who worked in the broaching business for 11 years and with customers in more than 30 countries. Axisco was established in 1984. Now the total area of the headquarters is about 5,000 square meters, located in central Taiwan. We can build several lines together. The models of the hydraulic broaching machine are from 3 to 80 tons. The models of the servo table-up broaching machines are from 5 to 40 tons. In broaching machine, customers approve the parts rather than the machines. We have all kinds of instruments to check the sizes, profiles, surface finish, hardness, etc. We are partners of the suppliers for worldwide big names in automobile, tools and hardware, and aerospace industries. Axisco's headquarters is in Taiwan. We have a branch office in Michigan, US, and sales channel running by dealers in more than 30 countries. How to make these shapes? If you are going to make these parts, what method will you use, and how much time does it take? Broaching will be your best choice. It can be used to make round holes, splines, keyways, 6-bolt grooves, square holes, hexagonal holes, special shapes holes, helical teeth, etc. quickly and precisely. High level of customization is possible according to various requirements. What is broaching? In this video, we use a transparent sample to show how the broach tool cut the spline. The broaching needs to be performed by a broaching machine with a broach. This is a traditional hydraulic broaching machine. The tool moves down during broaching. If the tool length is 1 meter, the working height where you put your workpiece will be about 2 meters, as there has to be room for the tool to go through and spaces for the pulling mechanism and chips. Nowadays, people prefer more advanced solutions in every aspect, including broaching. Now, almost 80% of our broaching machine sales is servo table-up broaching machines, the electromechanical solution for broaching. In a servo table-up broaching machine, the tool does not move during cutting, and the working table drives the workpiece to move upward to complete the broaching, as shown in this video. This equipment uses electricity as the primary source of power. Compared with a hydraulic broaching machine, a servo broaching machine has better energy efficiency and is more friendly to the environment. All parameters, such as broaching speed, return speed, stroke, be controlled through the human-machine interface. The operator only needs to stand on the ground to operate, without digging a pit or standing on stairs. Here we can see the before and after parts. Let's look at the floor space. On the left, if you want to lower the working height of a traditional hydraulic machine, you will need to put it in a pit. Or, in the middle, if you don't like to build a pit, the operator needs to stand on the stairs to operate. Or you can have a third option. In a servo table-up broaching machine, the operator can stand on the ground. The working height is the same as other machine tools, so that the line management becomes very easy. In servo broaching machine and hydraulic broaching machines, the dimensional tolerance is all precise. However, if the geometrical tolerance is critical, such as runout, the servo broaching machine provides more stable results as the broach retriever holds the broach to reduce vibration during broaching. The program is 100% made by Accessco. On the right side, the yellow digits tell you the lifter's current position and the job slide, the working table position. The touch panel can operate all the functions on the left side, and the status of the sensors are shown in circles. On the top of this graph, you can save the part number with the tool number in the memory to adjust for the first time. In the future, you just have to recall the memory to start the production. The on and off of the coolant pump, tool cleaning pump, light, chip conveyors, and lubrication is a one-touch setting. The servo load of broaching and the lifter are also visual on this page. Let's make a conclusion to this presentation by looking at the advantages. The working height is the same as other kinds of machine tools. You don't have to put it in a pit or use the stairs for operating the machine. The integration of automation is super easy. The machine is with a servo motor and ball screw. It performs consistent broaching speed, low vibration, and increases the tool life by up to 20%. Compared with the traditional hydraulic machines, the electromechanical design saves up to 40% electricity. It is because the motor didn't consume power when there is no load. Even during cutting, the motor only gives the required load, just like how advanced air conditioners save energy in your house. A traditional hydraulic broaching machine is like the old air conditioner that always runs in full load, consuming unnecessary power. If the geometrical tolerance is critical, such as runout, the servo broaching machine provides more stable results as the broach retriever holds the broach to reduce vibration during broaching. The human-machine interface makes it easy to operate and diagnose the machine. Everything is visualized. Broaching speed, the stroke, can be adjusted and saved in HMI. You can save it in the system and only need some clicks on the touch panel to set a new tool. The position of the working table and the lifter, the status of sensors, the speed and load of the machine are all shown on the interface. It saves time for your checking. About remote PLC software upgrade and diagnosis, we can build a connection from Accessco to your laptop and to the broaching machine so that we can remotely upgrade or diagnose the software of the machine. In one sentence, electromechanical table-up broaching machine is user-friendly, energy-saving, and environmental-friendly. I'm Leon Huang, Business Director of Accessco. I'm glad to help if you need any assistance in broaching applications. Thank you.
As we have heard from Leon, Accessco specializes in hydraulic broaching and have been in this industry for 37 years. Thank you, Leon, for your time. Our second presenter today is Jessie Chen, Sales Manager at Jing. Jing specializes in manufacturing high-precision work-holding fixtures for machine tools. The floor is yours, Jessie.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us. My name is Jessie, and I'm going to introduce you our company, Jing Technology Corporation Limited, our brand CGM, and our workholding and clamping products. In this online introduction, I will divide into four main sections. Firstly, the brief introduction of company profile. Secondly, the high precision chucks. Thirdly, our zero-point chuck series. And finally, the awards and practical products application demonstration. We used to be the mold maker and knew exactly how important the work holding and clamping products will impact the accuracy and efficiency of the finished goods. Therefore, we created the clamping chuck in 2004 with 2 microns repetition accuracy. And it can also be compatible with other reputed brands worldwide. Later on, we will show you how our products can be compatible with other brands. Here, the first part, Product Series 1, Workholding Chalk. How our product can be applied to your machining jobs. 3 basic components chalks. First, you need to have the workpiece holder, that A as the picture shows left. And then you need to have the spigot as B components. And C, you need to have the main chalk. About the main chalk, our options include manual or quick manual or pneumatic type. It depends on how your machine and how you would prefer to operate. As for the workpiece holder or so-called electro holder, we have various sizes to fit your very workpiece requirement. And next is our product series 2, 0-point chalk. The general repetition accuracy of our 0-point chalk is within 5 microns. If you are looking for more accurate tolerance, like 2 microns repetition accuracy, we can customize the chalk without problems. And this image demonstrates how you could process the bigger size over heavy loading workpiece. We have multiple pallet size with 2 chalks, 4 chalks, 6, 12, and 20 chalks available for your choice. In this slide, there are some application pictures. As you can see from second meaning processing job, you can have a range of workpiece with different sizes to be processed at the same time when you set up the chalk in one pallet. It can enhance the working efficiency with more flexibility. And let's move on to the application for machine tools. From this slide, we can see clearly how our clamping chalk can work for all machine tools and make sure the workpiece with consistent accuracy. The consistent accuracy is extremely important for machine jobs, right? So from lathe machining, mini machining, grinding machining, or EDM machining until the last step measuring, the loading and unloading job can be operated easily with the guarantee of repetition accuracy 2 microns. So it could effectively reduce the machine downtime, speed up the processing, and shorten the delivery time. This is extremely important. And then we are going to introduce you how our products gain the awards from domestic and international. So far, we have gained the awards from Japan and Russia and Italy and Ukraine and USA, Brown and Shops and etc. Mainly, they give us the compliment about the structure and the innovative design. As everybody knows that Taiwan machine tool industry is reputed in the world. So most of reputed manufacturers of machine tool in Taiwan, they all choose to work with us, CGM Chalk, because they can integrate their machine with our chalks and to have a better performance on machine jobs. And let's move on to the application. Here we are going to show you the demonstration. This is the 5-axis machining solution application. The video shows how our chalks and robot arm can operate together to speed up the loading and unloading procedure. As you can see here, the robot arm is easy to take the workpiece, loading and unloading within seconds. It will shorten the working time effectively. And next, we move on to this video. This is the project we cooperated with FFG Group for their automation systems. They use our 0-point chalk with the robot arm and set up several working stations so that the work can be done 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. It will make the work efficiency and no need to worry about the labor shortage. And next is the application videos about the EDM machines. As everybody knows that the reputed EDM machine, Maybe the customer they are using the Sweden or Germany or Switzerland. They already have hundreds set of electro holder, but our CGM chuck can be compatible with their brands. As you can see from the upright pictures, our positioning blocks can be changed and be compatible with 3 other brands. And let's move on to the last slide. Our products made of stainless steel materials, and our innovative structures can have the working clamping force up to 4 tons, and it can apply to medical or machine tools or the high precision industries. The repetition accuracy and consistent accuracy is extremely important for this kind of high-end products. So if you are looking for the work holding or clamping products, please don't miss the best choice here, CGM chucks. If you have any questions or any problems, don't hesitate to drop us the message here. Thank you for listening.
Some of Jing's main products include the zero-point chuck, pneumatic chucks, automatic electrode changer, and more. With over 18 years of experience, the company has obtained over 80 patents. Thank you, Jesse, for sharing with us. If you are looking for electronic pressure regulators for safeguarding vehicles, you will learn a lot from our next speaker, Jerry Wu, Sales Manager at Gandhi.
Thank you for the opportunity to introduce our company to everyone. Our company, Jing Enterprise, is a manufacturer and supplier of pneumatic and electro-pneumatic components in Taiwan. All our raw material are sourced locally or from the USA or German partners. Our company's strength is providing solutions for the regulation of fluid flow rate and fluid pressure. The presentation today will cover 3 main areas. First, I will introduce you about our company, followed by introduction of our competitive products that are widely used in vehicle industry. Then I will provide you with case studies where customers adopted our products to solve their issues. Our company, Jing Enterprise, was established 41 years ago in 1980. We provide both distribution and manufacturing business. We combined 40 years of our knowledge, case studies, and expertise in pneumatic and electronics for OEM business and own company label products. We are focused on providing solutions for fluid pressure and fluid flow rate regulation. Our company has ISO 13485 management system, and our products cover European certifications. Our customers cover a wide range of industries, from aerospace, automotive, food and beverage, to medical device, and etc. Our company focuses on 3 main product lines. 1, electronic pressure regulator. It is a precision air pressure regulator where the output pressure is controlled by electronic signal. Pressure range cover from 0 to 2 bar up to 70 bar, with controlling resolution to 0.1% full scale. The regulator also accepts remote control up to 500 meters away via I/O link. This is used to regulate and maintain pneumatic pressure in vehicles. Second, proportional flow control valve. It is used to control flow rate of liquid or gas. Our one advantage is that it is controlled by a stepper motor, and repeatability can reach up to 0.1% full scale. The flow rate can be controlled up to 3,000 liters per minute. The third product is pinch valve. This is used to regulate fluid, liquid, and gas without contacting the media. Now I will be introducing you 3 case studies where customers use our products to resolve different issues. The products are 2 two-way solenoid on-off valve, proportional pressure regulator, air pilot on-off valve, and air spring. Let me start with the solenoid valve and proportional pressure regulator combination. Our solenoid valve has the features of being compact, low power consumption, and withstand high temperature up to 180 degrees Celsius and high pressure environment up to 360 bar. The on-off valve is compatible with various media, air, liquid, and also used in vacuum environment. As for our proportional pressure regulator, it provides the possibility where the users can regulate pneumatic pressure through an electronic signal. It has high accuracy up to 0.2% full scale and high resolution and high repeatability up to 0.1% full scale. The pressure regulator can be controlled remotely via a PLC. In this case studies, a customer used combination of solenoid valve and proportional pressure regulator to control the brake force in a vehicle. As there is an internal pressure transducer in the regulator, and it provides pressure feedback signal to the PLC, the regulator is used to command the brake force and at the same time monitor the air pressure. Another advantage is that the brake force can now be controlled remotely via a central PLC. A second example is how our customer utilize our long history products, Air Pilot High Flow On-Off Valve. It carries the features that 1, it is corrosive resistant and 100 degrees Celsius temperature resistant. 2, it is the media that it carries can carry solid dirty particles without affecting the overall valve performance. There is a selection of standard 304 body and Teflon PTFE seals available that makes it an ideal solution for running dangerous fluid at high flow rate. The valve currently provides an on-off function with long lifetime. Here, our customer used this valve to provide drainage function of dirty liquid coming out from the compressor inside the truck. As our valve is not susceptible to dirty fluid and offers high flow rate, the customer integrates this valve to commercial and industrial truck. Our third case study relates to our air spring products. Our spring is used to provide 2 main functions. 1 is to provide shock absorption and dampening effect. 2, it provides raising and balancing of a load. It is compact in size and easy for installation. Our customer has used this air spring for balancing in industrial truck and commercial vehicle. It is also a very popular product for different testing machines used in vehicle testing. Thank you for your time today, for listening to my presentation and understanding products that our company, Gendi Enterprise, offer to automotive industry. We are keen to explore more opportunity with our potential partners in your area. Please contact us anytime for further information.
As you have heard from Jerry, Gendi has 40 years of experience in the electro-pneumatic components and pneumatic components industry. Thank you, Jerry, for telling us about your electronic pressure regulator and Air Pilot high flow on-off valve. Our next presenter is Sherry Chen, Sales Manager at Jing. Today, she will share with us on the topic of Quick Change Solution, 0-point system.
Thank you for watching the online presentation. I'm Sherry Chen. It's my pleasure to share zero-point system applied on milling production. I'm introducing our company to you. We established on April 1992. Now we have 70 employees. Our main export countries are America, Belgium, Swiss, Japan. We locate at Taiwan, Taichung City. We are a metal processing team with more than 30 years of industry. In order to improve work efficiency and capacity to meet customer needs, we applied automation, equipment manipulators, and zero-point system for several years, and later developed our own products through research and development. Let's talk about the current situation for milling production. First, you might facing lacking human resource due to COVID-19. Your employee need to stay at home to take care of their children, or they might infected COVID-19 had to stay at home waiting for recovery. This would be a problem for you if your factory is still producing. Second, the time of upload and unload varies from working pieces to working pieces. Some parts are very difficult to upload and unload due to the design of fixture. It might take 1 minute to 5 minutes or even more. Third, the time of setting machine varies from person to person. When different type of parts are going to produce online, the setting time depends on the different person. What we want to improve is we want to use standard operation procedures to reduce the time that is wasted, and then we can save the time. And this is the schematic diagram of zero-point system. We put the whole set on the milling machine working platform. We only need to exchange upper plate with different parts. If you use more than one upper plate, we can save 95% of time on upload and unload working pieces. Let's watch a brief introduction of our products to see how we apply the milling process. Okay, we have 3 models of truck. Those can almost fit all kinds of milling machines through different base plates. What's benefit for using zero-point system? We have 2 points. First, coping with urgent cases, we can do flexible to change production line. Step 1, change the mode to another urgent case mode. Step 2, change the milling tool. Step 3, call the new processing program. Step 4, after the urgent case done, can put the original mode back. Change the mode only needs 30 seconds. Second benefit, standardization of operations for changing mode. everyone can operate. And let's look at some actual application cases of our customers. This is an application on the 3-axis milling working plate. We use 6 0-point chop to replace the whole working platform. This is the application for a quick exchange of vice. After using 0-point, user can change vice without adjusting the location again and lock the screw again. This can save times. And this is the application for quick exchange of the scroll chop. User can change the upper plate whenever they want, even a fixture made by themselves. This is the application on 4-axis and 4.5 axis of the milling machine. This can apply with automatic production. And this is the application on 5-axis of the milling machine. This can also apply with automatic production. And let's watch another video for application for manual operation. Okay, let's watch the video of the application for automatic operation. Okay, after watching the application for automatic operation, I'll sum up some key points. As you can see, we use Servo to upload and unload the whole working plate. This makes the user change different type of mode easier. User don't need to change any setting of the robot arm. Due to the repeat accuracy is less than 0.005 millimeter, different upper plate will go to the same point on the machine in the end. The third point, what worries the user most in the automatic production, safety and stability, is the key point. We can use airtight test function to make sure the upper plate is well clamped. Here is my presentation. Those are the information for our company. I hope we can work for you. Thank you for your time.
As we have learned from Sherry's presentation, Jing assists customers in planning zero-point clamping system, bringing convenience to the processing industry. Thank you, Sherry, for your presentation. Vanessa Chang, Regional Sales Manager at Palmery, will share with us their company's various grinding technologies. They have been in the industry for more than 20 years.
Thanks for having me here. I'm Vanessa Chang from Palmery Machinery. I'm at Turkey markets. Today, I'm going to focus on what the value-up solution applied on smart machinery benefits to automobile industry. You will have more pictures in my list today. I hope you enjoy. Today's agenda, I divided into 4 sessions. First, we will have market aspect of Turkey automobile industry. Second, we will share more concrete solution of automobile for your better understanding. Third, with my lead, you are going to have Palmery factory tour today. Lastly, you are indispensable partner in grinding field. Let's look at the first part. Market aspect. The automobile manufacturing kingdom in Turkey. Automobile industry in Turkey is the fifth largest in the European Union and 15th in the world. In addition to the investment of worldwide representative automobile brands established in Turkey, such as Toyota, Benz, BMC, Honda, there are also lots of investment of auto part industry by famous foreign companies such as Denso, Bosch, etc. The forecast of growth in automobile industry in Turkey is increasing. Of course, the government has positively developed electric in automobile industry. The eco-friendly topic has been put much attention around the world. Grinding solution. More practical application of automobile industry. Spool valve is a common way of controlling hydraulic or pneumatic components. High accuracy performance is required in grinding process. Our experience on centerless grinding machine, cylindricity should be controlled within 2.5 micron, roughness 1.5 micron, and RA 0.3 roughness. SAMA requires CPK value as evaluation indicator. In addition, want to extend productivity by worry about limit layout? The machine is equipped with auto gantry loading and unloading. Running 2 or 3 pieces at one time is available to double your production volume. Camshaft is an essential part of car engine. The special eccentric grinding is applied on special purpose grinding machine. Homry LCD cam series developed with CAD/CAM software on controller, easily for customer to edit the grinding path and transfer into grinding program. The machine is equipped with bearing grinding wheel spindle, which can achieve high grinding speed of CB and wheel. Under development of smart machinery, layout factory has become a trend nowadays. Thus, we provide customized service of automation designed by each part. The automation design is customized by primary various products. We have the gantry type, which is combined with full enclosure to discrete 39% machine layout. Besides, for turnkey projects, Revit is applied to most easy transformation of different production line, which can elevate 60% work efficiency and decrease 67% labor costs. What's more, auto measurement is also available to choose no matter in process gauge on cylindrical grinder or post measurement by laser checking on centerless grinder. The measuring value is able to feedback to controller for auto offset. Measuring data is collected as database. It features of easy operation with Homry-made graphic interface. Homry Factory Tour. Homry was founded in 1998. It's been for more than 23 years. Our headquarters is located in Taichung. 2 production bases with 20,000 square meter space. Our teamwork includes QC control, production department, R&D center, and sales team. Homry Group. Homry established 2 branches in Taichung, Taiwan. Top key manufacturers of sinter hole grinder, centerless, and cylindrical grinder. Top work focuses on tool grinder. We have 2 overseas branches in China and Thailand separately. There are sales team taking charge of local markets. Sales status in 2020. Sales amount in 2020 is $20 million in total. Overseas sales accounts for 83% as majority. Domestic is about 17%. Regional sales percentage respectively, China 16%, India 13%, Europe 10%, and North America 11%. There are 290 sales of grinding machines sold in 2020. Among the total, manual and NC accounts for most, up to 64%, and CNC 36%. Pommery is specialized in manufacture of grinding machine, covering centerless, cylindrical, internal, vertical surface grinder, as well as special purpose machine such as specific use of engine valve stain, eccentric parts, and bearing products. Your valuable partner. Pommery has overseas sales points in more than 40 countries, including America, Europe, APAC, MENA zone, etc. We work with strong partner which is able to provide instant help no matter technical support or sales. You always take advantage of our advice, know-how, other extensive service, and prompt consultants before, during, and after buying our machine. Don't hesitate to contact us. We are an indispensable partner of yours. Appreciate your time for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's topic. If you are looking for a better grinding solution of automobile industry, you are available to reach us via offshore website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You are always welcome to contact us anytime. I'm Vanessa from Pommery. Thank you.
Pommery offers a wide variety of products for your grinding needs. Thank you, Vanessa, for your sharing. With a sales network in over 40 plus countries in Europe, America, and India, it is easy for you to get in touch with a Pommery representative. Thank you for joining us for today's webinar. Now we'll proceed to the Q&A session. If you have any questions, please remember to turn on the microphone and your camera. Speak clearly and slowly. You may also type in your questions in the chat box. We do have some most frequently asked questions from customers. First, I would like to ask Mr. Leon Huang from AccessGo. What is the sales ratio between servo broaching machines and hydraulic machines? Mr. Leon?
Oh, hi, thank you. I'm Leon, and thank you for bringing this up. After we made the first servo table-up broaching machine in 2011, the sales kept growing. In 2016, the sales of servo table-up broaching machine first went beyond hydraulic broaching machines, and now the ratio is about 8 to 2. We sell 4 times more servo table-up broaching machine than hydraulic ones each year. In the beginning, the customers were from the developed countries. They buy the servo table-up broaching machine because it uses less power and looks good and is more environmental friendly. By now, more and more customers in developed countries are interested in the servo table-up broaching machine because they save time in learning and setting, less floor space is required, and it is easier to integrate with automation. In the long run, servo broaching machines are more beneficial if you put everything together. Thank you for asking.
Thank you for that response. We also have another question. During these COVID-19 times, it's very difficult to travel. So under this current situation, how can customers inspect their machines if they give orders to you?
Okay, thank you. That's why we put a lot of effort, especially last year. In addition to photos and videos that we used for years, we established a complete real-time online machine inspection procedure with just one click on the link we provide. Customer can see machines detail from many angles simultaneously. We can focus or enlarge any parts of the machine as per customer's requirements. The direct visit is not always better. When the machine was not inspected by the people who use it, such as the purchase guy or quality guys, the actual user might need to see the machine, but they don't have chance. Now, with the video and the recordings, everyone can join the meeting with no effort, and they can replay the video anytime if they have further questions. So actually, right now, people think that they might need to visit us even after the pandemic. They like our online service pretty well. Thank you.
That's a great insight for us to have. Thank you very much, Mr. Liang Huang. Our second set of questions is for Jing, Mrs. Jessie Chen. If the end user already has Eroa System 3R Hirschman series products, are your products compatible with their specs? What is your advantage?
Yes, thank you.
Hello.
Sorry, the camera cannot see, but let me reply here.
Okay, yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. Our product,
Yes, hello,
in fact,
Jen.
we have,
Yeah.
yes, we have our own patent for the inner structure. So if customer, they are using the 3 other brands, reputed brands, it can be compatible. So the big advantage is first, it can be compatible. And second, we have our patent, there's no confliction. And third, the price is very competitive.
Mm-hmm. So would you say that the main advantage is the price? And can you just maybe elaborate a little bit more here?
Oh, yes. I think if customer they are using for the other 3 brands, they probably know the price is extremely higher, and we know that our price can be at least 20% off if compared with the original brand.
Mm-hmm. I see. Yes, and also the accuracy is within 2 microns, so this is quite impressive. Another question is, what is the clamping force of your products?
Our clamping force can up to 4 tons.
Okay, up to 4 times. The clamping forces of the CGM chuck is at least 4 times, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Jesse. Okay. The next question is for Jerry Wu from Gendi. Is it possible to control water pressure with the electronic pressure regulator?
So for our electronic pressure regulator, it is only used to control air pressure, pneumatic pressure. So we have an internal gauge pressure sensor that monitors the air pressures. So the answer to this question is that our pressure regulator is not suitable for controlling water pressure. It is only used to control air pressure.
Okay, understood. Thank you. And another question is, what are your most competitive products in the automation industry?
So apart from our pressure regulator, our air pilot on high flow on-off valve is used in many applications in automotive industry. So the advantage of this valve is that it has high flow rate, compatible with many types of air, liquids, or corrosive fluids, and can tolerate up to 100 degrees Celsius.
Okay, thank you very much. Our next question is for Sherry Chen from Jing. What will happen if the air supply is not enough?
Okay. Hello, I'm Sherry Chen. We need at least 6 bar to open the chuck. So if you don't have enough air supply or your compressor shuts down in sudden, you cannot take the pull stool out of the chuck. So it means you don't have to worry about the working piece falling out after the power failure, because our system clamps when the air is cutting off.
Great. So this is a great safety measure. That's great. Yes. Another question, how do you set up the 0-point system?
We have the setup video on the YouTube channel. So customer can know every step from the video. The installation note will also ship with the goods as well.
Okay, thank you very much, Sherry. And also, the next questions come for Mrs. Daphne Chu from Palmery. And due to accuracy requirements, this customer needs to complete both bore and outer diameter on the same machine without repeat assembly. Is this possible?
Thank you for asking. It's Daphne of Palmery. Sure, it's workable. We have the machine model which is able to do OD and ID grinding at once clamping process. We are willing to provide the technical support and the total solution based on your request. So feel easy to come to us.
Okay. And if the customer would like to make contact with you, how can they get more information?
Okay, there are several grinding application videos shown in our official website, www.palmary.com, and our social media, just like Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Also, feel free to contact with the primary sales team. We will be happy to be of your help.
Okay, thank you very much. I'd like to go back to the question from one of our audiences for Jesse from Jing. Here, the Kanzu is asking about the 0-point system of Jing. Is it using only by air, or can it also apply the hydraulic power?
Yes, thank you. And thank you, Ms. Kansu. And our standard 0-point system so far can be used by air only, but hydraulic power can be customized under discussion.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. And I would just like to say thank you to all the presenters today for taking your time and introducing your latest products with us. Also, for all the people that are viewing us online today for joining. If you have any more questions, of course, you can later on we'll provide a QR code. Please scan this QR code and fill out the questionnaire and return it to us. Also, if you can also contact the companies directly, check out their website. If you'd like to contact us here at Taitra, welcome to do so, and we're here to help you. And once again, thank you very much all for joining today's Taitra live stream. And stay safe with your families, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you very much.